bagels. So I will make some. I have a recipe I want to try because I can't find bagels anywhere. And that's what I'm hungry for. So let's go. Okay, so it seems that I made a mistake. I didn't buy the good bread. I don't know the word. I will put it something right here. Levure, you know, like the thing you put in the bread to rise. Baking powder for bread. So apparently the bagels won't happen, but maybe some pretzels. So we'll see. We'll see.
See someone that you know and they ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine, but you just can't get into it because they would never understand.
This is the milk, and this is the well. Drink full and descend. The horse is white of the eyes and dark within. This is the milk, and this is the well. Drink full and descend. The horse is white of the eyes and dark within.
I wanna go all the way. Na, 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 na. So I bought some butter, but I put some salt in the dough, and I bought like some sea butter. So I'm afraid it will be way too salty. Look at that dough. So now we had to rest for 1 hour, and then we will be able to do our little buns, I think. took some time to reflect on my horrid pretzels. They look like something from hell. They were horrendous. Very good though, but they didn't look like the ones that can make you thirsty. But this one does. So, all I can say is that I'm better at drawing than baking. If you want to see other stuff like that, like other baking videos, just let me know in the comments, and I will, after that, try to draw the stuff I just baked. Because why not? That could be fun. I don't know.